5 AI tools that are saving me 3+ hours every single day. Save this now. Most people are still doing everything manually. These tools change the game for me, FRand, and they're mostly FREE. Number 1, in ChatGPT. Write captions, emails, scripts, ideas, code in seconds. If you're not using this daily, you're wasting time. Number 2, Canva AI. Magic Write, background remover, AI image generator. Number 3 now, ElevenLabs. Clone your voice or generate a professional voiceover instantly. No mic needed, no studio needed. Number 4, Notion AI. Plan your content, organize your ideas, write faster, better, all inside one tool, your second brain. Number 5, Opus Clip. Upload one long video, it cuts your best clips automatically, captions included. Post it in 10 minutes.
Thanks so much for watching till the end. It really means a lot. If this really helped you, see you next time.